Yeah, this your boy Rich underscore everything with an A, and you now locked in to RE Films, Mr. Uncut, Raw. Yo, so we outside, man. Look at here, man. Usually y'all know I had a phone, but I got the camera today, you know what I'm saying? Y'all see who I got with me. And we fit to make this thing right here jump. So, SRT and them boys, man, they already down on the move. And we about to get in motion right behind them right now. So y'all stay locked in. Oh, we out here in traffic. Y'all see it, man. About to get out here on the freeway and do what we do, man. When we get to the little car meetup spot or whatever, man, I'ma cut y'all back on. Right now, we already got a whole bunch of people. We parked up late to the first spot. So this right here, we about to move over to the second spot, you know what I'm saying? A little undisclosed location, man. So y'all stay locked in. Y'all know what it is, man. Your boy Big Rich everything, man. Yeah, we outside with it. You see it? All the way outside with it. Yeah, man, your boy Big Rich everything, man. I told you I was ready to pick the camera back up, so I got one. You know what I'm saying? Matter of fact, I got two, but, you know, who behind the camera? Do y'all really want to know who behind the camera, man? He already verified, JT. So this what it is, man. We out here at Burks, you know what I'm saying? We gonna get out here, get us some footage and whatnot, and keep this thing right here jumping. Can't forget it, man. We got Nev with us today, you know what I'm saying? This your first one?
First car meet.
Alright, so let's get it then, man.
Bro, let's
Go get here, jump up out of trash. And then I'm gonna get y'all over here. Hey, turn up, do your thing, man.
Do it.
Try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, your check as I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression, You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Bloody hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep, move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when it's evening. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try to change, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place. I wanna be first, work till it hurts. Dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off, I'ma break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft, you can change lives, you create thoughts. Never waste time, you got one shot, you got one life. Better pop off, what do you like? Make a dream job, no 9-5, no mean boss. Just my life and free thoughts. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when it's evening. Better stand tall, ready for the fight, believe me. When they try to change, you can say no, free me.
Let it go. Yeah. That's the bad guy. Stop. Hey. Hey. Yeah, that's not I got you. Hey. And narrated, y'all I am back. I can tell. Talk shit. Good.
Jersey Sport in the house. Old Tack Out gang. Back home, baby. I'm back. Eva's mine. Hit me up. I was going to smoke on you. And I'm out.
Rich Everything, man. Out here at Berkey's right now with a couple of my people, man. My young photographer homeboy / bro Will, he's back there. Got SRT Zoe, he out here, man. Like it's pack, you know what I'm saying? So I've been running around, you seen it. I had to pull it back out the bag, man, and just get back to work. I also got that iPhone, you know what I'm saying? I keep that iPhone handy in case I want to pop some little flicks, some pictures and all that, man. But one of the most things, man, that got me is it feels good to actually like be back out here with the camera and doing what it is that I'm doing, you know what I'm saying? Because I miss it, you know what I'm saying? Just being around cars, period. So, man, look at here, more to come, man. Y'all stay locked in, man. Hit that like button, hit that share button, hit that subscribe button. You know what I'm saying? And hit that bell for post notifications for sure. Your boy Big Rich, everything.